Hey, what's up guys? This is my unboxing video for my new Lenovo IdeaPad. Lenovo. Anyways, it's a laptop that I bought just recently. I'm going to do an unboxing video. Basically, here are the specs. If my damn pad can... Oh boy. Well, anyways, if you can't read that, I'll have the specs or the link to the actual laptop. I'm just showing you the box here, and here we go. Let me cut to just cut it open. Quick pause there, and wow, this is amazing. Got the whole shenanigans. Bam, bam, shabam. Oh, the battery, of course, separate. Pre-install it there. Put that to the side. Pretty excited. I was waiting all day for this one to work, you know, hoping, you know, I'll be home, catch this. But I was waiting the whole day. Fell asleep, played some games, did whatever. Phone thing. Get that out of the way. Not important. And here we go. Ooh. This is the 15-inch. Sorry, I'm like holding my iPad. This is like the worst video right now. Let me see what I can do. Hold on. Bear back. So I just unboxed it. This is pretty cool. I didn't see this till like after. I can pry apart the sides. And they become little stands. So I'm just showing you the bottom real quick. I just inserted the battery already. Pretty cool. Pick it up. Oh. God, fingerprints all over it already. This is the left side. Oh man, what the frack is the video quality? There you go. 2 USB ports. HDMI out. Ethernet. Component. Deposit. VGA. What is it called? Whatever. Ooh, headphone jack. Oh, release. Okay. Front SD port, SD or some type of card. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just so excited. I just want to show it off. You've got the headphone, microphone jack, the always on USB port, DVD RW, so burn some CDs and whatnot. And here we go. Just gently. Ooh, got some dust, fingerprints. Oh God, I gotta get me a cleaning cloth. And wow, I can open it pretty good with one. Ooh. I'm definitely gonna keep this with this now. Oh my goodness! Look at, oh, it's not even on. It's got, wow. Oh, this is beautiful. I will do a video review on this laptop. Let you guys know how I'll use it. I'll probably upload it next week. Record next week, sorry, and then upload it. Yeah, record, yeah. Let me see if I can turn it on. Maybe it's got some power in it. Yeah, it's got some power. Ooh. Lights on. Ooh. I gotta get the correct pronunciation for this laptop. Lenovo. Lenovo? Lenovo. Turn it on here. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. I'm trying to get the speakers. Here's the speakers. Yes, the keyboard is illuminated. It's on. It's going. It's doing this little setup thing. Ooh. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make some comments, subscribe, thumbs up, like it. Let me know how you think yours is, if you got one. Ramble. Turn on!